WM Grocery.
The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a tornado warning for central St. Clair County until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:18 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Leeds, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Pell City, Leeds, Moody, Odenville, Margaret, Riverside, Bald Rock, Branchville, Logan Martin Lake, Wattsville, Camp Winnetasca, and Chula Vista. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: St. Clair, Alabama.
For a bonus,